Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to deactivate TikTok. Open TikTok application on your device and then open your profile at the bottom side of the screen, and then in the top right corner you see 3 horizontal lines. This is menu, that's what we need, and then navigate to settings, and here at the top you see account section, and here at the bottom you see deactivate or delete account. Tap on it and select deactivate your account, and then proceed and then follow all the steps. I will not do it because I don't want to deactivate my account, but you should press this deactivate button and then confirm your decision and eventually deactivate. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.